this will be a very short session, and I will give you a brief idea about what is solution challenge and how you can participate, and what are the prizes, and how you should go for it. Let me just make my WhatsApp. Okay. Everyone is calling now. Okay, so moving forward, so for today's contents, we have an overview. First, I will go through what is solution challenge. Then we will look at the prizes. Then what is the timeline and how you have to register. So first, what is solution challenge? So solution challenge is a type of hackathon, but a contest by Google Developer Student Clubs. So it is an annual event, and it is conducted every year with different set of problems. So this year we have United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So you have to create a solution which will solve these goals, and the problems, and you have to achieve these goals through using different Google technologies like the Google Cloud, TensorFlow, Flutter, Android, Kotlin, and all of these things. So first of all, we will go through what is these 17 sustainable goals. So I have a short video here. So you can the audio is coming, and you can see this video. So just see this audio coming on the stream. So these are the 17 UN goals, and I also have the documentary. So I will also share this link so you can view it later. So moving on further, we have what are the prizes for this contest. So this is a international contest. So students and developers from all over the world will compete in this contest. So the top 50 teams will get customized mentorship from Googlers, and they will have the guidance of the Google team. Then the top 10 finalists will have additional swags like shirts, some caps, and from Google's, and they will also have the opportunity like things. Their solution will be showcased on YouTube and on the developer page, and you will be in the limelight or spotlight. So, and the top 3 winners, which are the winners for solution challenge, will receive a Chromebook and a chat with the Google executive like CEO, CTO, and all those higher committee people. And also as they are the top 10 also, so they will get all these swags and all these things. And also their solution will be also published on the blog of Google developers. So these are the prizes, and next we will take a look at the timeline of how you should go with the flow. And first you have to be in the Google Developer Student Club, as we have a club in PCCOE. Even if you are not a part of PCCOE, you can also be the club member. So I will share you the link where you can be the part of the community. So I will just show you how does it look. So this is the link. Okay, so during our induction, we told you to register on this page. So here you will get like join this community or join the group, and by filling out the information, your name and everything, you will create your profile. And after you have created this profile, you will be the part of DSC. So and you will also get the information of upcoming events, what are the events, the past events, and everything. So like this, you should be part of at least one DSC. Moving on forward, then you have to register for 2021 solution challenge by submitting this form. So we'll also take a look at this form. So this is a very straightforward form. Everyone has to fill it. You have a team of 4, at the most 4, and everyone has to fill this form. So here they have given some information about what is GSC solution challenge. Then your email goes here, and here it says which DSC are you part of. So here you can select our PCO DSC, and then how are you associated. So if you are a core member, you are DSC lead, or as you all are members, so you have to select this. And then if yes or no, like that, if you haven't joined anything, and how like what Google technology are you going to use in your solution, so you have to select them here. And what your project will solve, the like the goal, uh, what goal will be achieved by your solution. So you have to take this in here, and after filling this, you have to just next and then submit. So this is the form. Now moving on forward, with the timeline, you have to then form a team. So the team will be of at most 4 and at least 1. So then you have to select a goal, like as I showed you all those goals. The list of goals are also available on the website. I will also share the link. And then comes the next part, the build, design and build. Then you have to identify a solution, and then you have to create the solution, like the front end, the back end, by using various tools from Google. Like for back end, you can use Firebase, Google Cloud. For front end, you can use Android, Kotlin, Flutter, all those technologies. Then you have to test your solution and go on iterating. Like you have to design, then implement, then test that. Then after that, the submission and judging. Then you have to record at the most 2 minutes of video. It could be 1 minute, like they have set the limit to 2 minutes. Then after that, you are recording, you have to submit it till 31st March. So this 31st, and then the top 50 teams will be announced in May. And after all, then the top 50 teams will go into the deep mentoring part. So what is this deep mentoring? As we saw here, the price part, you can see they get the customized mentorship from Googlers. So the Google team will help them to build the solution. Like you will have the meet with them, chat, how we should achieve this, how we should implement this part. So they will help you. Now moving on forward, then the top 10 will be announced, the top 10 teams, and then they will have a demo day. It is called demo day, and on the demo day, they do a live stream on YouTube with the top 10 teams, and then the judges from higher authorities see their solution, like what they have done, how they have achieved that goal, and then they select the top 3 from them, and it is announced live on YouTube. And at the end, you all will celebrate, like, yes, we were the part of solution challenge, and everyone will get the certificate, of course, of for participating. So that's all for the timeline. And then moving on forward, we have the judging criteria. I will also give you this slide, as this is the main part which where you have to focus. So the judging is divided into 2 parts, like the impact and the technology. So the impact is that what goal are you solving and how you are solving it. Like is the solution you are applying, is it scalable, how common people can use it, how it is effective, and if they have to like uh, commercialize, how they will commercialize, and all that things. So you can take a look at these points. I will also give you the website link on which these are all mentioned. Then the technology part is that as it is a Google based hackathon, so if you used more Google technologies, it will be like, it's not good, but it is the great part, as more of the Google technologies are incorporated in your solution. So how you implemented them, like if you are using Google Cloud, then how did you implemented the part from Google Cloud, and how you uh, like used it to solve these issues, and all this should be included in that 2-minute video. So I will also give this. So moving on forward, now I'm saying that you need to use like Google Tech and all those. So from where you should learn it. So the also the learning part is also provided by Google. So these links like the Android basics, the Flutter basics, and everything will be also provided on the website. You can also learn them from there. Now moving on. Yes, okay. So here are some tutorial videos, like there are 17 goals, and from what how should you build a solution that will at least like solve one issue. So for that, here are some tutorials. You can go through them, and you will get an idea of how to identify the solution, how to create a design for the model, and how to implement it, how to deploy it. Everything will be given in these videos. So they are very short, like 5 to 10 minutes videos, and they are very helpful.
As technologists, we build things.
And I will give you the links for them. Moving on forward.
In our last video,
Just a second, they are playing. Okay, and now moving on forward, as you know, Google DDSC is a very big community. So they have created a platform called Partheon. So after you completed the registration process by filling out that Google form, you will get the link for this Partheon. And what you can do, you can create a profile on that also. And from there, there are 5,000 plus students like you, and you can have a chat with them, like how they are solving. If you have some issue, you can ask there, and the Google team is also there to help you. They have some mentors over there who are there to help you guys. So this is the registration link. So I will also, I guess this is the solution challenge link. Okay. So this will also be given to you. Now, okay, we just a second. So as you know, this solution challenge is an annual thing. So it also happened in 2020, and the like the participants use various technologies like Android, Flutter, Google Cloud, Firebase, TensorFlow. So they said that it was very easy to implement, and we were very glad how we can use so much big technologies in our solution. So these are the statements here. You can read, like they allowed Firebase, and TensorFlow is very easy, and it's also open source. So you can go through that also. Now, last part, we have a quick overview of what we saw today, like in this session, and by Erica Hansen, the program manager at Google. So let's have a quick look.
Hi everyone.
Just a second, let me put full screen.
Hi everyone. I'm Erica Hansen, and in this video, I will give you an overview of the steps and timeline for the Google Developer Student Club's 2021 Solution Challenge. The Solution Challenge is an annual contest that invites students to develop solutions utilizing one or more Google technologies. This year's mission is for students to solve for one or more of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Check out the next video in this series to learn more on these 17 goals and how to brainstorm ideas to help achieve them. For now, let's take a look at the complete timeline of the Google Developer Student Club's 2021 Solution Challenge. The steps can be grouped into 4 phases: register, learn and build, deep mentorship, and demo day. At this phase, you'll join a Google Developer Student Club virtually at your college or university. If there is no club at your university, you can find the nearest one to you by checking our online directory. If you are joining a club outside your university, make sure to team up with at least one student from that university in order to be eligible to participate in the Solution Challenge. Once you are a Google Developer Student Club member, it's time to register your interest at goo.gle/Solution Challenge by submitting the form. Now you can form a team with up to 4 students from your club. Ideally, your team members will have a varied set of technical and soft skills, so you complement each other's strengths. The next phase is where you'll select one or more of the UN 17 Sustainable Goals to solve for. And now it's time to start defining and building your solution. We've created a series of videos to guide you through this process. They offer references to many technical resources available to you, so be sure to check them out. And remember, while you design and build your solution, you can always get guidance and assistance by posting a question on the mentorship platform Partheon, where Google developer experts can help you overcome the obstacles you face along the way. Once you have built your solution, gone through user feedback, and reiterated your code, it's time to record a demo video. The video should be 2 minutes or shorter and showcase your solution in a clear and exciting way. Both your solution and the demo video should be submitted by March 31st through the Solution Challenge website. At this stage, the Solution Challenge team of judges will review and rank all the submissions from around the world. You can check the judging criteria on the Solution Challenge website. The top 50 solutions will be announced and invited to join the deep mentoring phase. This phase is designed to fine-tune and improve the top 50 solutions. These top teams will receive mentoring from Google and Google developer experts. Once completed, these top 50 teams will resubmit their improved solutions and their improved demos to compete for a spot as one of the 10 finalists. These top 10 teams will win an array of prizes, among which are a 1-year subscription to Pluralsight, swag, and additional customized mentoring from Google and Google developer experts. The top 10 teams will also be invited to present their solution to Google and developers all over the world, live on YouTube during the 2021 Solution Challenge Demo Day. During Demo Day, the judges will watch the top 10 demos and interview the finalists. The final 3 winning teams will be announced live during the event, winning all the prizes included in the top 10 category, along with a Chromebook and a private meeting with a Google executive. The Google Developer Student Club Solution Challenge is a great opportunity to learn the latest Google technologies and kickstart your career by learning through doing. You'll be collaborating with Googlers and Google developer experts on your way to building a great solution. In the next video, we will explore the UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals and show you some ways to research and brainstorm solutions aligned with these goals. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build.
Okay, so that was America Hansen.
Hi everyone.
Okay, I don't know how to use slides. Okay, so if you're wondering who won 2020 Solution Challenge, then here are some links. These links will be also provided. We will post these links on our Discord, so you can check them there. If like this was the first, second in this serial order. Then there is one from India, I guess. Yes, this was from India, and this is from Pakistan, Hong Kong, and it's from all over the world. Now moving on forward, so this was the stream URL for 2020 Solution Challenge Demo Day. You can also watch that stream. We'll also give that link. And okay, when I hit the next, it starts playing, I think. Okay, so here are some FAQs. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask them, like how, if you have any questions, how to do this. You you can either unmute or type in chat. Okay, you can also read them here, like the frequently asked questions are here. Okay, so I think no questions. I will also post the link to the Discord here, so you can join in here. And we will have a channel called Solution Challenge in which you can ask your question, and we will also post the more informative links like the series of the winners and the stream link. And moving on forward. So that's all for today's session. It was quick, small session just to give you the idea of Solution Challenge and how to participate. So if you have any queries, you can unmute and ask, or this session is over for today.